Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome to Digital Eden Garden. Today our second lecture of Science Grade 5 Unit number 1 Growing Plants. Today's topic is seed dispersal. Students, when many seeds are sown too close to each other, they struggle for nutrients. As the nutrients in that area in that soil will lack. Even after germination, the seedlings do not get enough sunlight, air, water, and space. As the seeds do not get proper conditions, so as a result, many seedlings will die. Thus, it is important that seeds are scattered over a wide area so that each seedling gets enough sunlight, air, water, and space to grow. When a seed gets proper conditions, then it will grow to a healthy plant. Seeds of some plants are scattered naturally to ensure that they do not grow too close to each other. The process by which seeds are scattered away from the mother plant is called seed dispersal. It means the process of scattering the seeds away from the mother plant is called dispersal. Some seeds have special features that allow them to disperse. Means some seeds disperse naturally. Some seeds are dispersed by the agents like wind, water, animals, and human beings. Means some seeds can't disperse naturally. So they need some agents or factors to disperse them. Such agents are called agents of dispersal. Dispersal by wind. Seeds that are light and have hairs or wing-like structures on them are dispersed by wind. Means there are some seeds which are light-weighted and have hairy structure. So such seeds can be dispersed by wind easily. Cotton and dandelion seeds have fine hairs and are easily carried away by wind. Dispersal by water. Seeds of some plants can float on water and are carried away by water. It means there are some seeds which can float on water, so water carried them away. For example, lotus plant has a spongy light fruit which can float on water. Coconut has fibrous covering that helps it to float on water. Lotus and coconut seeds are dispersed by water because they can float on water. Dispersal by animals. Birds and animals eat fruits. At times, undigested seeds of these fruits pass through their digestive systems unchanged. The seeds excreted from their digestive systems unchanged. In this way, seeds are dispersed from the plants. Some seeds like cockleburr, datura, and tiger claw have spines or hooks. These seeds stick to the bodies of animals or birds and are carried away. These seeds sticks to the bodies of animals or birds, and those animals or birds carry their seeds away from the mother plant. Human being also disperse the seeds. Human being and animals eat fruits like mango, plum, and cherries and throw away their seeds, resulting in their dispersal. Dispersal by explosion. There are some fruits like pea, poppy, blossom, and bean that burst open and scattering the seeds away from the plants. Means the fruit burst and the seeds scattered away from the plants. Let's recall. Write T for true and F for false statement. Plants are non-living things. False. Seeds are present inside flowers. False. Roots absorb water and minerals from the soil. True. outer covering of a seed is called seed leaf. False. Coconut and lotus seeds are dispersed by wind. False. Growing plants from stems. Some plants like rose, hibiscus and money plant can be grown from stem cutting. The plants from which the stem is cut is called the mother plant. Stem cutting is planted in the soil. After a few days, the stem cutting grows into a new plant. It means if you want to grow a plant from a stem, then cut a stem from the plant you want to grow up. Then plant that stem in the soil, and then after a few days that stem will be grown into a new plant. Potato, onion and ginger are stems of plants which can grow into a new plant. A potato has buds on it called eyes. Any part of potato bearing an eye can grow into a new plant. It means potato, onion and gingers are stems, so we can grow new plants from them by sowing them in soil. Growing plants from roots. Some plants like sweet potato, carrot, radish, turnip, dahlia store food in their roots. Roots of these plants can grow into a new plant. Means if we sow these roots in soil, they can be grown into new plants. Here is an activity for you. Place a sweet potato in a glass full of water with the help of some toothpicks and keep the glass in an open space. After a few days, you will observe a new plant growing out of it.